In the world torn by conflicts, water emerges as a beacon of hope, a symbol of unity, and a catalyst for peace. This documentary is our call to action, a reminder that water is not just a commodity but a fundamental human right. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Jahanzeb Nasir and I am studying hydrology and water resource management at the College of Earth and Environmental Sciences. Before starting, let me ask you a question. What would you do if I ask you to drink this glass of water? But mind it, there are 80% chances that it could be contaminated. Would you drink it? Absolutely not, right? But what would you do if I ask you this is the only water you have? This scenario is a real life example. It is happening in many regions of the world. Even in Pakistan, the condition in Karachi, Lower Sindh, and many more areas are the same. It has been estimated that half of the world population will face water scarcity by 2030. Do you understand this? What is at stake here? Our survival. United Nations Formal General Secretary Kofi Annan said fierce competition for fresh water may well become a source of conflict and wars in the future. And former Vice President of World Bank said, and I quote, "The wars of 21st century will be fought over water." But in my opinion, these expected wars may not take place. There is a way out. We looked at many water conflicts in the past and we found no evidence whatsoever to support this water war argument. On the contrary, we discovered that when water was involved as part of the conflict, people tended to cooperate, not the other way around. And the closest we come near the water war is this. We have seen nations like Lesotho in South Africa, Pakistan and India who negotiated on water while they were officially at war. Water gives them courage to look eye to eye and resolve other severe political problems. It also allowed them to consider different dimensions linked to water, such as land, food security, sovereignty, and even energy. You can use water for other things such as energy production, food production. This is called virtual water. Water is seed of hope, a call for peace. We need to allocate it equitably among all the parties. Then and only then we can form a strong foundation of peace. Water is ultimate peacemaker. Conserving resources, not wasting them. Sharing them, not dividing them. Building bridges, not walls. Creating allies, not enemies. We will be able to change the world we live in, but also the world we pass on to the next generation. So, we have to fight for peace, not for water. After all, water is used to extinguish fire, not to ignite it.
My name is Jahanzeb Nasir. Thank you so much for listening.